guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm gonna show you 4 easy way how to make eyebrow tutorial. So I'm using 4 different kind of material. So if you want to learn how to make the easy and simple but the result is really good, so don't miss this video, and please help me with subscribe, like and comment this video. And what do you think about this eyebrow tutorial? And enjoy watching! Okay guys, let's start from the first step. All you need to do is the brush. If you don't have this kind of brush or any kind of brush for eyebrow, you can also use your own old mascara brush. You just wash it and then you can use for this too. Something like this. It's the same. And this is more hard. All you need to do is you just brush them. Something like this. Yeah. All you need is you just brush them all. And then I'm gonna use this. This is the most Indonesian girl or everyone in Asia use quite a lot. This is from eyebrow pencil, I think FIFA. Yeah, this is FIFA, from FIFA. So yeah, let's get started. All you need to do after you brush, you just make this line from this part, following your hair growth. But for my tips, choosing the eyebrow, you better choose the darker. Make sure dark brown. Don't choose black or light brown, because when you choose light brown, the eyebrow it will be turned. It's kind of red, slightly red, or slightly brown. And then for the second step, all you need to do is make the line from this middle and then just pull it all the way and make it tail. Connect together with the other line. And it's up to you. You want to make it longer or just short, like normally Korean people do. And then from this you can start fill all your brow. Okay, let's say like this. Don't worry about the mess. After you fill in, and all you need to do is you have to brush them so the color is even, not really look so harsh or a bit messy. All you need is you just brush like this. After done like this, and then for the next step, all you need is concealer. If you don't have concealer, you also can use your foundation, but I'm using this 24-hour MAC Studio Fix. And you can use your flat brush or this kind of brush. And when you want to fix this, you cannot do like this because it will be a bit too much. For my suggestion, it's better you just use this and just dip a bit. Something like that, and then you can correct them. like this. Yeah, and then you can also use your finger, just correct them. And then for the last, if you have your own special mascara for eyebrow, you can use your special mascara. If you don't have, you also can use your own mascara, just normal mascara for your eyelashes. But just be careful, you just use like this, so make the hair more alive. See? You can see the result already. Ini untuk hasil dari apa ya? This for the result for normal pencil eyeshadow, more like really very soft like Korean. If you don't really fancy have too thick eyebrow, you can see the difference between this and this. Okay, so for the next, number 2.